So Trading 212 has introduced a brand new feature which allows multi-currency support on the Trading 212 platform. In this very quick video, I'm going to go through an overview of the new features and how you can benefit from having a wide range of different currencies as an investor. So I was trawling the Trading 212 app like I do on a daily basis, and I received a notification saying multi-currency access has been granted to me. So I'm among one of the first to enjoy seamless multi-currency investing, where you can convert free funds instantly, where you can avoid foreign exchange fees when depositing and investing with up to 12 global currencies. So it says in order to enable this feature, all you have to do is tap on the free funds button and then you hit the convert button to convert your currency, which is most likely pounds if you're watching this channel, and then you can convert that into a range of different currencies. As always, when you invest, your capital is always at risk, and there is a 0.15% foreign exchange fee from going from one currency to another. So this is my main screen, and if I press the top button, we can go down to free funds. Currently, if I do press it, I can be tapping it all day, but nothing is happening. So as soon as this feature starts working, I'm going to make a follow-up video to show you guys how you can actually exchange some of your currency. So as an overview, Trading 212 now allows you to have one account with up to 12 different global currencies. By holding a different currency, for example the US dollar, you can buy and sell American companies, for example, and once you sell, you don't actually have to pay the foreign exchange fee because it's already in dollars. Please bear in mind that as a UK investor, we still have to pay a withholding tax for any dividends from a US company. You can't actually circumvent this by trading in dollars, but at least when you do trade in dollars, you're buying and you're selling in dollars, so you can avoid this foreign exchange fee. So anyway, let's see what Trading 212 is saying about this new feature. You can deposit in your preferred currency, deposit and withdraw with the same currency as your bank account's currency to avoid conversion fees from your bank. Like I said, for most of you watching this video are going to be depositing in pounds. So from pounds, if you are one of those people that like to invest heavily into US stocks, as long as you keep your money in dollars, you don't have to worry about that pesky 0.15% foreign exchange fee. So as you can see, there are 12 supported currencies. I'm not going to know all of them just from the acronyms, but we do have the Great British Pound, we have the dollar, we have the euros, and then a range of other European currencies, which I have no idea. But if you live in one of these countries or use the currency, you're probably going to know better than me. But over here, maybe the only one that I can think of is probably the PLN. If I'm not mistaken, that is the Polish zloty or something along those lines. I don't want to get it wrong, but I think the krona is there somewhere as well. So for example, you're not paying foreign exchange fees by trading in an asset's currency. So if you're buying Tesla, for example, the Tesla is bought and sold in US dollars. Every time you buy with pounds and you sell it, it has to convert the dollar back into pounds. This has many implications. First of all, you're paying the 0.15% foreign exchange fees, but also as the pound is now recovering and getting stronger than the dollar, as the time goes by, you're receiving more or less based on the foreign exchange impact. But by keeping it in that currency, for dollar, for example, you are avoiding the foreign exchange impact and the foreign exchange fees. Furthermore, if you do like investing a lot in European companies, for example Porsche, you can convert your money into euros and then just keep it as euros, because if you have the intention of trading within that currency for the future. So the currency conversion even works during the weekend, and Trading 212 uses the interbank rate, which is the same rate that banks use to convert currencies back and forth to each other. So that's a good thing. You never have to worry about what time it is when you're changing currencies. Even on a weekend, the price should stay the same. Furthermore, another benefit of holding different currencies could be to leverage the different interests that different regions will have from their central banks. For example, the US has increased their central bank rates or their federal funds rate even further, meaning that if you keep your money in dollars, for example, you will be earning slightly more interest than pounds at the moment. I made a video on this, but Trading 212 has recently announced that they are providing interest for any uninvested cash in your portfolio. Right now, as it stands, they're paying a 1.9% annual equivalent rate for funds held in dollars, 1.65% for funds held in pounds, and 1.25% for funds held in euros. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I will see you in the next video.